In this video, how to get a free foot massage in Hong Kong. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Okay, so here we are, and here is the free foot massage. It's a pebble walking trail. So this is a form of reflexology. When you walk over the pebbles, it massages different points of your feet, which refer to different points of your body. So the one here is all black or grey stones, and the stones seem a bit more pointed. And then we'll go over the other side and look at the other one. This one is a bit different. It's got whiter, more rounded stones, and even though I'm walking on it now with my shoes on, I can feel some pressure on my feet. So in a minute I'm going to take my shoes off and give it a go and see what happens. But I have to admit, I'm not 100% looking forward to it, because I think it's more of a torture than a treatment. So here we go. I've taken my shoes off and I'm going to walk over the pointed stones. Wow, it's already, wow, ow, ow. I've got to hold on to the bar to take some pressure off my feet. Wow, I tell you, this is more like torture than pleasure, I have to say. Oh, I'm gonna have to get off of it pretty quickly. It's killing me. Oh, 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 oh God. So I've had a break from the sharp pointy stones and I've come over to the grey stones, which look a bit flatter. Maybe I can accept the pain a bit more, but wow, it does feel a little bit better. But earlier I saw somebody walking round it. Wow, and I don't know how they do it. Wow. Oh. I'm just trying to put my feet where there's less pressure, putting less weight on my feet. In fact, as you can see, I'm holding onto the barrier to take weight off my feet. Wow. How they managed to walk all the way round, I don't know. Wow. Hopefully I'm getting some benefit from this. I don't know which part of my body is. I can't stand it for much longer, but at least I've tried it. And I would tell you, these stones are a bit more easier, but still very painful on the feet. Wow. Oh. If for any weird reason you enjoyed watching me torture myself there, please don't hesitate to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video and see you later.